What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today, we are going to be doing a different video aside from like customizing shoes or clothes or whatever the case may be. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing, and by the title, you guys know what I'm unboxing already. You guys know, if you know, I'm a big, huge Jordan 11 fan, and again, by the title, you know that I'm going to be unboxing the Jordan 11 Legend Blues. Now, I got this release, I think the last release, correct me if I'm wrong, I want to say it's like 2014, 2015. I'm about to pull out that release that I have, and we're going to confirm the year, but I have this release that was older, and my God, it was my favorite shoe ever. But let's just unbox these. So I did get a 7Y, so it is a grade school size. So there's the 7Y box. Now this is the 2024 holiday release, and I'm super, super excited. Last year it was, what the fuck was last year's? Where the fuck? I'm tweaking. Okay. Girl, I done thought these was missing for a second. The 2023 release was these Gratitudes, and man, they yellow like crazy. Enough about past releases. We need to get into the current release. I haven't even opened them yet. I'm super excited, y'all. I love me some Jordan 11s. If you're anything like a shoe person, Jordan 11s is like here. Anyways, let's take a look. Ooh-wee. 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 Boy. Man, look at that bottom. I need to find some protectors. And I'm going to show you guys why I need some, you just seen those Gratitudes. I need some protectors for my 11s. So I'm going to show you guys my old release too. Man, these are clean. Ooh. You know, you got to do the sniff test. My goodness. My goodness. And sheesh. Tell me what you guys think of these. Like, you cannot tell me these are not clean. Like, boy. I'm going to throw in a picture, and this is going to be so embarrassing. I'm going to throw in a picture from like when they released. I think it was like 2014, 2015, 2016, around that time. So I'm going to throw in a picture right here of me wearing those shoes. You could not tell me nothing. That was at a basketball holiday party. I was so geeked to have these shoes. I need to recreate that picture because this is insane. All right, y'all. So I'm going to compare these to the old release that I have over here. For a 6Y, just off the bat, we got to compare the boxes. This is how you know it's an old release. Original box, new box. Crazy. Let's open these ones. Boy, I wore these down to the ground. This is back when I was in high school. Let's see when they dropped. 2014. This was a 2014 release. This compared to this. This is this shoe. Wow. They even changed the carbon fiber. I gotta compare these, y'all. They changed the carbon fiber on them. You see what I'm saying? Like, I don't want this pair to look like this. So I gotta find something to protect this. If you guys know of anything that can protect these icy bottoms, please let me know down in the comment section, because I need to protect these ASAP. I'm still not over this. Like, Man, oh. So the inside of the 2014 release has this blue tag, and this one is not blue, it's black with blue. So that's different. This is a clean ass shoe. But like, look at the differences. This is so crazy. Let me know if you guys would rock these down below. If you guys like my unboxings, please let me know, because I love to buy shoes. I love to unbox them. But let me know what you guys want to see next from me down below. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, join the family. As always, stay positive, and you know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put